Hi, my name is Niklas Fiedler and I am presenting a multimodal real-world dataset for robotic clothes classification. We identified a need for such a dataset as many smaller sets with one or two modalities were created for various clothes classification approaches. By providing a large amount of data in diverse modalities, we hope to pave the way for future research into the topic and to achieve comparability between approaches. Our data collection process was conducted as follows. A human operator places a piece of clothing in a robotic gripper mounted to a robot arm. The arm moves the piece in front of the depth camera, and then the piece is rotated at a fixed velocity. During the rotation, our multimodal data is recorded sequentially. Each piece is rotated in both directions. The camera records RGB and depth images together with point clouds. In parallel, the sensor data of the tactile digit sensors mounted to the gripper's fingertips is recorded. This recording process produces 25 samples per rotation action. We performed this process 100 times at various grasping positions, categorized into 3 grasp areas. Our dataset covers 12 classes with 3 pieces per class. So overall, we collected roughly 90,000 samples. We also generated a 6-class version of the dataset to provide an easier challenge. We provide benchmark classification results of established approaches on both versions of the dataset. To the best of our knowledge, this is the first direct comparison of different modalities, RGB, depth and point cloud on the clothes classification task. We evaluate the classification accuracy of PointNet, PointNet++, and DGCNN on point cloud input and ResNet 18 on RGB and depth image input.